Hi all, welcome back to Weekend Vlogs. Hope everyone is good. Today I have come with some interesting video, a weekend in my life, which includes some delicious recipe, also a small visit to Singapore flyer. Hope you all enjoy watching this. Let's get into the video. It is just a glimpse of a day how we spend family time on a weekend. To make my next day easier, I made something in the overnight. So let's see what I cooked. Overnight oats are very simple to prepare. In fact, no cooking required and perfect for when you need a make ahead breakfast or snack, especially for those with hectic mornings. Instead of cooking your oats on the stove or the microwave, you can actually eat them raw by soaking them in the milk overnight or at least 2 hours to give them enough time to absorb the liquid and soften them to reach the perfect texture. All you have to do is that put all the ingredients in a jar and let them rest in the fridge. By the next morning, you will have a perfect healthy breakfast that doesn't require any cooking. In a glass jar, I simply added the oats, chia seeds, peanut butter and some fruits. If you have a sweet tooth, add your preferred sweetener. And finally pour the milk on top. If you are going to eat your overnight oats cold, just keep it in the fridge at least 2 hours or even overnight. This will allow the oats to soak and soften. In the morning, just grab. That's it, the healthy delicious oats is ready. Since my daughter don't eat oats in the morning, I have to prepare something else as well. So I plan to make all-time favorite banana blueberry bread. This is so moist and flavorful. We love the juicy bits of blueberry scattered throughout the bread, and it is best when served warm with a cup of milk. Firstly, in a bowl, I have taken some bananas. Bananas are really overripe, which gives extra soft and sweetness, and it's best suited for this recipe. Nicely mash well with a fork and make into a paste. Into this add the eggs, which is in room temperature, and nicely combine well. Now add the oil and the brown sugar. If required, you can replace the brown sugar with the white sugar as well. Nicely mix well till it is well combined. Now add some salt, baking soda, vanilla essence and nicely mix well. After that, add in the blueberries. You can replace the blueberries with some nuts. Also, simply you can skip it. And finally add the flour. Slowly combine everything. Mix very gently. Do not overmix the batter. Now transfer into the baking tray, which is lined with the parchment paper or the butter paper, and transfer it to the oven, which is already preheated around 10 minutes, and bake for 180 degree about 30 to 35 minutes. The cake is almost done and removed and cooled completely for about 15 minutes. Finally, dusting the cake with some icing sugar on top, simply to enhance the flavor and appearance. When you prepare this bread overnight and have it for the breakfast the next morning, it tastes heavenly. The kids will definitely love this. Also, You can use this either for breakfast or dinner or snack. Hope you all definitely try this and share with your friends and family. On the next day, we have already booked the ticket for the flyer. Hence, I am preparing all these stuffs overnight so that I can be free tomorrow. Honestly speaking, it was quite a holiday mood, and I'm not really motivated to turn on the stove and yet again to cook an elaborate meal. I think many of us face it on most of the days. So today, the breakfast was almost done with the overnight oats and the banana bread. Lunch, we plan to order it outside the special biryani in town. They have a combo deal which was sufficient for lunch and dinner as well. So the food part is done happily so that we could reach the place on time. We started about 4 in the evening as our ticket timing was at 6 pm. Since the best time to visit is just before the sunset, as we can see the city in natural light and then completely lit up as well. Considering all this, we were super excited to reach the place. Also, it was our first experience. But when we reached the place and when we step in, it was a long queue waiting for the ride. Unfortunately, we couldn't see the sunset view. It was completely lit up already. But the view was really magical. Finally, stepping into one of the 28 fully air-conditioned glass capsules and transported on a 30-minute journey of stunning night scenes. It is described as Asia's largest observation wheel with a breathtaking views of Marina Bay from the Singapore Flyer. In fact, it is 165 meter tall, which is higher than the London Eye. Consists of 28 capsules and 28% capacity per capsule. A complete flight lasts around 30 minutes. Exactly, it will be the height of 42-story building. Amazing experience it was, and it's really magical. Our ticket was including the visit to time lapse as well, which is located in the same place. After 30 minutes of flyer ride, we were visiting this time lapse. This attraction takes around 45 minutes to complete, and it is especially suitable for families and those seeking a visually stunning activity. It is a multi-sensory attraction of Singapore's rich history, heritage, culture and landscape. Altogether, it was an unforgettable experience for all of us. One thing I would like to tell is that throughout the visit, complete COVID protocol was nicely followed by each and every one. including the social distancing, wearing mask, etc. See you all soon in another video. Hope you all enjoy watching this video, and definitely thanks for watching and keep supporting.